Alright guys, I don't know if you have the same issue I have when it comes to eating vegetables. I'm not very good at it. I don't like them very much. So, I found a workaround. And my workaround is a smoothie. Now I throw garlic in it because not only is garlic good for you, but it adds a little bit of zing. It's spicy enough without being hot, at least to me. And because I'm making a smoothie, I add protein because after you get to be about 40 years old, your body needs more protein to maintain the same functions that it used to under 40. So I generally eyeball how much I put in, and I estimate that at about a cup and a half. Might be 2 cups of vegetables. But I use 20 ounces of water, and I use the full bottle. And that puts me up just below the fill line on my blender. And we'll be back after I get them mixed. Alright guys, so if you didn't notice, I had a lot of cauliflower in that. So I got a lot of white and a lot of orange. Got a little bit left in there. But that's what I got. That's how I sidestepped eating vegetables. I'm still eating them. I'm just eating them in a liquid form. Anyway, it's my cheat. It's my workaround. All right, guys. Thanks for tuning in. See you next time.